Based on the MRS Wash automatic washers and Hydro Power washers, the Hydro Wash washer was developed. The Hydro Wash washer is a combination of modern technology and precision workmanship. At every stage of creating the washer, from design to assembly, Marwis uses proven solutions resulting from many years of experience, while also embracing innovative ideas in order to deliver a high-performance, reliable device to the customer. The Hydro Wash washer is a multifunctional unit that enables fully automatic washing of parts in a motor-driven rotating basket, or, when dealing with parts of more complex shapes, high-pressure washing at 140 bar. Thanks to this combination of processes, it can confidently be said that the device will be useful in any workshop. It will successfully streamline work in companies regenerating turbochargers, steering gears, as well as gearboxes. To ensure user safety and stable washing parameters, an electronic control panel and a set of cooperating sensors have been used. For Hydro Wash type washers, the recommended cleaning fluid is the product marketed under the name Mimers Cleaner Strong. The Hydro Wash washer is available in 3 configurations, with basket sizes of 800 mm, 1000 mm, and 1200 mm.